Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to take Oppo mobile 3 finger screenshot. Friends, you want to take a screenshot with 3 finger in Oppo mobile, you want to use Oppo mobile 3 finger screenshot setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Oppo mobile 3 finger screenshot setting one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, first of all open your device phone setting, and you want to use Oppo mobile 3 finger to take a screenshot setting. So then how to use, scroll down here, open your phone tool setting. After turn on phone tool setting friends, if you click on navigation setting, so you can use Oppo mobile gesture setting and button navigation setting. Friends, click here screenshot setting, and friends scroll down here, 3 finger swipe down to take a screenshot, 3 finger touch and hold to take a screenshot, power button and volume down button to take a screenshot, you can use it. So friends, today we will talk about 3 finger swipe down to take a screenshot setting. So friends, now you want to take a screenshot in Oppo mobile. Example friends, you want to take home screen screenshot. Example, for an example, you want to take home screen page screenshot with 3 finger. Swipe down with 3 finger, you can take a screenshot in Oppo mobile. Wait here friends, first of all we will on 3 finger screenshot again. After on 3 finger screenshot setting friends, now swipe down with 3 finger, you can take a screenshot in Oppo mobile. Click here and you can take a screenshot. You want to crop your screenshot, so you can crop your screenshot, you can edit your screenshot. Friends, if you click a second option, you want to edit your screenshot, so you can edit your screenshot. So like that friends, you can edit and you can use a screenshot setting in Oppo mobile. You want to save, right click here, if you click here, so your screenshot will delete screenshot. And friends, if you turn off your 3 finger screenshot setting, so friends, now you cannot take a screenshot with 3 finger in Oppo mobile. Again you want to use, click here, and second friends, you want to use 3 finger touch and hold. Friends, if you click here friends, you can check how to use 3 finger screenshot. Touch and hold, you can take a screenshot. Friends, press volume button, volume down button and power button, you can take a screenshot. So like that friends, you can use Oppo mobile screenshot setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Do you have any doubt, do you have any problem in Oppo mobile screenshot setting, shortcut setting? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye.